Today's July 23rd, 2019. Out looking at our Marie Crousse. For you peony lovers, this is a blush that over time turns to a beautiful white. It's a very popular variety that we have. So much so that we added on about 400 new plants last fall. And part of these are what you're looking at right now. So we spent the last couple of days giving them a little extra TLC. Since they're first year plants, we did a thorough job of weeding. Right now we're irrigating. We continue to be in, I guess, what would be considered a drought. We haven't had a rain since May 15th. They say maybe a little bit of rain tonight, but I'm not holding my breath. So we're irrigating, and probably tomorrow or the next day, there's a potato plant that we had these planted in potatoes last year. There's a potato plant that decided to join the peonies. So we're going to let it grow. We'll get some potatoes off of it another month or so. But at any rate, we will, I think I will give these a little fertilizer. Next couple of days, I think a shot of nitrogen will help the foliage. These plants won't be producers for us for another 2 seasons yet minimum. So we just got to baby them along so that they will give us those nice big blush peonies that everybody wants. But you got to invest 2 or 3 years of work into them. But they're looking good. I'm pleased with these. Out of 400 and something, I think we have lost 4. So 4 didn't make it through planting last fall and into this spring, which I consider to be a very good survival rate. And they're looking really good for first year plants. Sure am glad we've got this drip irrigation though, because we'd have been in real trouble if we didn't. Most of these would not have survived this summer to this point without drip irrigation. All right, a little fertilizer on these tomorrow and we can go on to something else for a while.